Hello everyone, I am C. Ashwini Sanone and today we are going to discuss on a topic which says why it is important to write down test papers now despite constant postponement of CA exam. So let's get started. Many of you are quite frustrated and don't feel like studying, reading or revising due to constant postponement of exams. There are various opinions which are trending on various social media platforms which are discouraging you to study further. But it is your exams and you have to study for it. While you don't even feel like revising it and I am suggesting you to write test papers. Sounds strange, doesn't it? So let me give you top 3 reasons why you need to write test papers. The number one reason is you're quite frustrated and you don't want to revise. So let's begin with writing down. You don't want the exams to postpone again and again. So, are you prepared for the exams? Let's write down a test paper and understand where you stand. So, it is suggested to write down at least 3 papers out of the 4 papers in a group. Yes, I agree. There are a lot of distractions and you are getting distracted through it. So, you need to understand where you stand and writing down paper is the best way to understand. The second and the most important reason being you haven't wrote from a long period of time. If this is your first attempt, then you haven't done writing practice at all. And if this is your repetitive exam, then remember the last time you wrote a complete 100 marks paper? Oh, it's been a year already. So, it's a right time to write complete papers and increase your speed accordingly. You're frustrated, you feel angry, but you're not going to give up because you're CA students. And writing down question papers and solving it is going to help you channelize the energy in the right direction. The third most important reason why you need to write down papers is to improve your handwriting, improve your thinking capacity, and to have a good speed in your exams. So, do study properly, revise properly, and write down papers, due to which you will be able to score good marks in the CA exams. Let me ask you this, will you be able to write 100% marks papers while you are trying to solve it right now? If not, then it is high time to revise. If yes, then you can take a small break and resume studying after 2 to 3 days. I hope you find this video useful and you will share it with your friends. Let's get together and have the positive vibes of exam and study and revise. All the very best to all the students appearing for CA exams. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.